Welcome to another update on the build of the Royal Louise. I believe we are at episode 7 by now. As you see, I added a bunch more canon and all the rigging that belongs to it. It's not perfect. Actually, the blocks are a bit too large, I think. But it's alright like this. Over here the problem is worse. You can see that the blocks on the back of the cannon are way too close together. But I was sort of tired of doing this at some point, and I still have a long way to go. I made another boo-boo. Here you can see I forgot to add the stairs, and now they don't fit anymore. So I think I'm gonna improvise a bit here. Probably I'm going to close that gap, and on the other side as well, because there's stairs here. And I'm gonna copy this construction and build it, I think, over here as well, instead of where the capstan is. And I'll just move the capstan somewhere else and close these gaps as well, there and there. So that's the plan, at least for now. We'll see what happens. I'm not sure yet. So also here at the back of the ship I want to add a hut. So originally for the Royal Louise there will be one hut here, another one here, and one over here. But if I put the cannon in place like this, and that one like that, there's not really that much space to add the blocks here. And I don't really want to have them as close together as this. So I am gonna make one hut over here and leave the rest blank. So it does have as a disadvantage that you can see the damages that were from the original hut. But alright, can't have everything. So as for the hut, so this is the one that was already on the ship, so I don't really like it. There's some sort of staining over it, which I don't like. Also, it's not that well made. I just don't like the look of it. So I'm rebuilding it, but with a slightly different design. So you can see the base here. Those will be 4 supporting columns. They're square, not round. That's going to be the roof. We'll show the rest in the next video. You'll see what the final design will look like. Alright, also been working on the boats. Let me switch to the other workplace. So here you can see the small boats. I am much less good at painting the red part than I thought I was. See, I left a lot of blotches on this side. I thought this would be easier. I have to correct those now, but alright. So here are the rudders for the ship. I think the one on the left is a rebuild. So the previous 2 were part of the ship already, but that one got lost, so I remade it. Also decided to make some paddles. So 2 for each boat. I made some rings. So the paddles can go through the rings, and they'll be attached on the ship. Let me see. Oh, you can see the holes just below my thumb and my middle finger. So, but I still have to attach those. Oh, now that I have I can show this. So, painted the inside a slightly different color. And I'm going to add benches here. So there were already benches. Actually, the mess is over there. Decided to rip them out because I wanted to repaint it. And the benches are being prepared here. That's the long batten going up. I painted it black on one side. I thought that would be a nice look. Then I'm gonna cut it up and make benches out of it. So yeah, that's about it for this update. think the next steps are going to be making more canon, at least wiring them to the ship. And gonna add the knight heads, as was suggested by somebody on the Ships of Scale forum. I'm gonna make the stairs. Have to make all the cannon hatches. Still a bit of chain missing at the rudder. Still have to do the anchors. So yeah, there will be more episodes. Alright, thanks. See you next time.